Okay, girls, while I'm finishing up my printing, I'm going to try to kill two birds with one stone. People might come in this copy room, but I'm just going to talk you through this to see if this helps. So you're on this main screen, you're going to go to print, and you want to be on the class that you want. See how that says first hour? I'm on fourth hour now, and it keeps reverting back to my first hour, even between students. So that's kind of annoying, and there's probably a better way, but it's okay because you don't need that many. So I'm doing the class overview first, print class overview. And I'm just going to print that. One copy. And then the only thing I can find to do is to go back here. I tried to click everything else. Notice it went back to the first hour. Go back to fourth hour. This time I'm going to print the student reports. And in the student reports, you're going to see, well, it says you have to click your students first. I happen to only have one student in here. And you can tell because it'll have the little blue colors. And then when you go to print reports, there's an overview and a skills report. I liked a little bit about both of them. So I'm actually printing both of those, but you can do multiple students at a time. I will show you how on the next one. Printing that one, going back, changing it back to fourth hour, print, student reports, click my kid, click on skills report. I liked on this one how it gives you the rate. That's what I like about this one, but on the other one, I like how, see how this says units completed? On the other one, it tells you what percent of the one they're on. So I like that part of that one. I'll show you that on the next one. Or you can close it right now if you get that, because those are the only things I'm printing. So now I'm going to go back to my fifth hour. Fifth hour, hopefully I have multiple students. Ooh, yes, these are mostly actually they're all 8th graders. I'll do the student report first, just so you can see student reports. I'm just going to click all of them and just take Reggie off because he wasn't here in my class last year. Print. Overview. I think that's the one I didn't point out last time. Takes just a second. You might have already deleted by now. I do have one other thing I want to show you while we're in here. What I like about this one, this is where I like that it says the current unit 3 of 6 and the progress. What I don't like is it doesn't give me the rate. Other than that, I think the top is the same. This page I'm just going to actually get rid of because that just shows their usage and stuff. Okay, printing that. And then in here, before I print another one, my husband showed me this yesterday because they use Lexia. If you click on this, which Suzanne, you might already know that, that's where you get another, I think she was there today. I think she took us there a different way, but that's what he does every day, he says, and that's what he likes to look at. And this shows where they were at, like 100% of my kids were in foundational at the placement time of those kids, and then 50% of them are up to the intermediate. Okay. Hope that helps.